Welcome back to the channel. This is Dalton from Coyote Classics, and today we're going to be doing a walk around and test drive on a low mileage, well optioned 1977 Monte Carlo. So as I mentioned, this is a low mileage, very original Monte Carlo. I apologize for the wind today, but I wanted to get a video of this one up on the web. So this one still sports a lot of its original paint. I think the exterior has been repainted once, but as we get to open the doors, you'll see it still has some original paint in the door jambs. Under the hood, we have its 350 4-barrel. Got air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Still has the original primer underneath this big old hood. Front grille and bumper are in really nice shape for original. You can tell it just has some minor wear, but nothing to be concerned about, nothing that I would change and to ruin the originality of this car. Engine runs really smooth. A big old boat, but a beautiful car. I really like the gold on this Monte. You don't see them too often. Nice straight car up and down the sides. Rear bumper, similar to the front bumper. Looks like, this one almost looks like it's been re-chromed. It's got such a nice shine. Single exhaust. Go to the website, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put the link down in the comments of this video. And check out the undercarriage, trunk photos. There you also see more details, price, as well as a lot more photos. So check that out. As we shut this monster of a hood, we'll go ahead and look at the gaps here. Everything lines up really well, just as a low mileage car would. The odometer shows 31,000 miles. We were told by the previous owners that that is the original miles, and judging by the condition of this car, I'm confident in saying that it very well could be. Overall, the paint is beautiful on it. We will find like some small little imperfections, like we got a little chip there if I'm going to be really picky. It's got a beautiful shine. Original wheels and hubcaps on it yet. Hand-cooked tires. I love the body lines on these 70s Montes. It's really stylish. Interior to me looks like it's 100% original. You can tell just in the driver's seat, you can see a little bit of the fading there. Original door panels are in excellent shape. These door rubbers look like they could be the original too. They're still nice and pliable, but you can just kind of tell they do have some wear on them. Original stickers there. Paint in the door jambs to me looks, I'm going to overuse this word, but looks original. One neat option that this Monte Carlo has that a lot of them don't is a factory sunroof or moonroof, and it works. Works like a charm. Odometer there reads 31,727 miles. Tilt wheel. Looks like we do have a crack here in the dash and a couple more little cracks here. Just kind of tells you the originality of it. There we go again with that word. Power trunk release. By the sounds of it, that works. We'll go ahead and take a look at the trunk too. Doors open and close good. Shift here. Landau vinyl top is in excellent shape. Don't see any bubbles or blisters on this side. Back package tray looks good. You can tell he's got a little fade there on the rear speaker covers. Behind the wheel, that all looks good over top of the wheel. And our inside trunk release did work. Look at that original paint on the bottom of the trunk, original sticker. the more I look at this color, especially on a sunny day like today, it really grows on me. It's a neat color. Original trunk spackle. Really neat example. All the glass is crystal clear. Again, here's our passenger side of that vinyl top. That's in excellent shape also. It looks like there's a few little paint crack here and a little rise in that paint right there. Probably one of the only perfections I've seen so far. That exterior paint is just so nice. It could be original, but it's just almost too damn nice, in my opinion. Passenger seat, just the same condition as the driver's seat, just very nice, well kept. Back seat's in good shape. Dome light works with the door open. Doors open and close perfect. Like we do have, never mind. Thought it was a chip, but it's just a little spot of dirt. What a neat car. I'm excited to take this thing for its maiden voyage. All right, so as we go through here, what works and what don't. Gas gauge works, temp gauge works. That's kind of neat. Shows you your fuel economy. Right now we're getting maximum here at an idle. Odometer again reads 31,727 miles. Volt gauge works. The factory clock looks like that does not work. No surprise there. AC seems to kick in. It's blowing cool. Heater fan works. Original radio clicks on. Sounds like that'll work too once the guy finds a station.
800 shots in August.
Very neat. Rear defrost, another rear option. Cruise control. This thing is just absolutely loaded. Your tilt wheel, wipers work, and of course the sunroof works. I always love driving these mid-70s Montes. You know, there's not too many of them around like this. Low miles, well kept. So many of these got turned into stock cars and dirt track racing cars. Usually the only time I see these anymore is on Saturday nights at the figure 8 track. But they're a lot of fun to drive. Just a big old comfortable boat. A little tire squeal. Picks right up to speed, really smooth shift. 50, 55, 60. No hands on the wheel. Straight as a string. Just a really quality car. I think it's something that guy can feel comfortable just getting in and driving it. You know, take it on a road trip. Get a lot of thumbs up. And I know the horn was working when I pulled it out. I might need a little more horn juice or something, but kickdown works on the tranny. This is at 65 miles an hour right here. There's no shake, no shimmy, no rattles, no hands on the wheel. Really nice car. Check this one out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comments of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also check out our Facebook and Instagram. I'll link to those in the comments as well. There you'll get kind of an inside look at day-to-day life at Coyote Classics. What's getting work done in the shop. what's going out and what's coming on the website. So check those out. Thank you guys for watching.